There we go.
Hell yeah. You know, people say, man, you can afford steak shit. When it's $4.99 a pound, you know, it's not too bad. What I do is, man, I put my seasoning on. I like getting it in there, getting it all over really well. Get that bad boy over.
Now hamburger's just as much as steak.
Yeah, steak's even better.
Might as well eat steak.
I'm gonna start grinding up my own, I think, someday. Just, you know, you don't want to overpower that seasoning, but you do want to get enough in there. You just want just enough where it's on your palate. That's how you season them. You want to set them out, let them stay out for room temperature about half an hour. If they're frozen, just leave it, room temperature half an hour and about 5 minutes of seasoning on them before you put them on the hot grill. Other than that, that's how you prep them. Now we're going to go cook them.
Coals are perfect.
Oh, yeah, that's how I like them, just like that, dude.
What kind of wood you put on?
That's apple, man. Well, let's put a little bit of apple on them. Let's see if we can get them all on here at the same time. Ooh, hiss, hiss, fire, fire. Hell yeah. Oh, yeah. Me, I always go in there and you can spray your grill with pan, but shit, why? Oh yeah, looking good, looking good. You know, medium rare, medium steak. You want it to cook about 5. You want it to cook about 5 minutes on each side. I don't know, man. I just use my tongue. I just know how to, not my dong, my tongue. Do that. Yep, they're not burning. Good steak. Just let them cook for a little bit. Not much we can do right now. Sit finger, fuck you. Oh yeah, good looking steak, brother. Oh yeah. You know, everybody's got their own different ways of cooking, and that's cool. I don't knock nobody. I don't knock nobody, man. You cook how you want to cook. I don't give nobody no shit how they want to cook, because it's called taste. You can make fun of my hillbilly ass cooking. That's cool. Sit down and eat it. That son of a bitch can cook. You know the wife can. See what I usually do, JB. What a lot of people don't do. I baby these steaks. I'm still. That's almost medium. That's my steak right here. That's medium rare, bad boy. Hell yeah.
Tell us about the butter.
About the butter? Oh man, it's something that I've just incorporated in my when I cook steaks. Gives you a hell of a flame. It's something I've incorporated. I've always done, man. You know? Look at that steak, brother. You know, and if you like your meat really crisp, I mean your meat. I like my meat crisp. If you like your meat really, your fat really crisp, just gotta put it on its side. Oh, that's the last time I turn it. Let it cook. Next time we do anything with it, it'll be coming off and going into our belly. Damn, it look good. Yeah, bring that fire up. Oh shit! It's still there. Son of a bitch.
Almost took a goat.
You know what, man? Since that's my steak. Oh yeah, that's awesome there. I have to pull that bad boy off. Oh shit. Oh man. Medium rare steak, brother. I got to pull that off. That has to come off. That's my steak.
God damn. It's good to be me.
Damn, that looks good. Let's see what it tastes like, brother. See y'all. Have a good evening. We're going to chow.